Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal internet Lexis & Company, and my today's topic is collegiate system. Collegiate system is a system of appointment and transfer of the judges that has evolved through the judgments of Supreme Court and not only by the Act of Parliament or by any provision of the Constitution. The Supreme Court Collegium is headed by the CJI and comprises 4 other senior most judges of the court. The High Court Collegium is led by the Chief Justice and the 4 other senior judges of the court. Constitutional provisions. Article 124 subsection B of Indian Constitution provides that the judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President after consulting with such other number of judges of the Supreme Court by the President, and states as a President may deem necessary for the purpose as per the Article 217. The judges of High Court shall be appointed by the President in the consulting with CJI and State Governor, and in these cases of the appointment of judges other than a Chief Justice, the Chief Justice of the High Court. The role of the government is limited getting an inquiry conducted by the Intelligence Bureau if a lawyer is evacuated as a judge in a High Court or a Supreme Court. Collegiate system. It is a system of the appointment, transferring of judges that involved through the judgment of Supreme Court and not by the Act of the Parliament but by the provisions of the Constitution. The Supreme Court Collegiate is headed by the CJI and comprises of 4 senior most judges. Then there is a role of government. It is like the government is limited getting inquiry conducted in Intelligence Bureau if a lawyer is evacuated a judge in a High Court or a Supreme Court. Thank you.